that you can share this wirelessly through walls. And I have a wall in here, and I don't want you to see my mess out here, but I play golf and stuff like that. So it's right here, so you guys can see it, and it's showing you, and it goes behind this wall, and I have a lot of stuff in there. All right, today we're gonna bring an HDMI receiver and transmitter. Now this is perfect if you're gonna do any kind of in-house presentations and you want to do it from a distance. You can do that. So today we're gonna demo these things. All right, I have a projector outdoors. It's behind some walls. We're gonna set this up today and see how it looks. So we're gonna set up this computer in here to transmit outside. I'm going to take you step by step. Now they give you the HDMI cables. Of course, it's going to require power, so it's type A to type C, and the antennas are included. And also they give you an extra connection that I really like. So it's HDMI to type C, if in case you have a system that transmits through there. And of course they give you an attachment, which is a micro HDMI. So this is perfect for those that have those cameras that need the attachment. It's included with it. Now the whole setup is simple to set up. Transmitter, it's going to be transmitting the image. Receiver is going to be receiving the image, right? So we're going to set this up outdoors in an outdoor environment so you can see how far this thing goes, and I'm gonna take you step by step. I'm gonna get there. All right, so let's go and do that. All right, if you guys can see that right now, this is the actual transmitter. It's connected to my computer in the back. It's a lot of wiring, I know that, but it's right here so you guys can see that. We're gonna go ahead and send the signal outside from here to outside. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about outside. Right, so let's go ahead and take you out. So we walk all the way over here. It's a little dark because I'm gonna show you where we're gonna transmit to. This is the place that we're gonna transmit, and we do have a projector. It's a little dark here, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on some lights so you guys can see. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to share information, I'm just gonna do a simulation how you can see it. So I'm gonna take you guys out there that you can share this wirelessly through walls, and I have a wall in here, and I don't want you to see my mess out here, but I play golf and stuff like that. So it's right here, so you guys can see it, and it's showing you, and it goes behind this wall, stuff in there showing you. But right now, as you can see, it's working with it more. And here we go, back to this thing. So very simple, out of the box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.